Hi friends, I'm Dr. Palvi Chana Rohatgi, consultant dermatologist at Derm Medical Clinic, and I hope you all are doing your best to keep yourself safe during this difficult times where hospitals and the medical system, everything is overwhelmed. So yes, there are a few tips that I would like to share you for the home care if you are COVID positive. So if you're positive, you don't straight away have to rush for the hospital. Wait, because every COVID positive patient doesn't need hospitalization. So that's the aim of this video, just to give a little bit of knowledge how you can give a good care at home to under the physician reference, and in which you can be vigilant about your own care. First and foremost is isolate yourself. So if you have a COVID positive patient in your home, and isolate the patient and isolate yourself, because you have been in contact of that patient too. You have a little bit of sore throat, cough, nausea and GI symptoms, which are abdominal symptoms, that you have diarrhea or feeling of vomiting and loss of smell, little bit of discoloration, but your test results comes out to be negative. Just isolate yourself, because yes, with this double and triple mutant virus, there have been many chances of false negative result in which the patient is probably positive but the reports are coming out to be negative. So just isolate is first thing. When you isolated yourself, make sure your linen and your utensils are not shared. You have to be in one room and your utensils and linen have to be taken care by yourself. And if there's one home care you have, one person taking care of the other family people, that person should be always in double mask. And of course, we all know how important it is to have hand washing and sanitizers. Second point, you should be well equipped with oximeter and thermometer. So once you have consulted your doctor on telecommunication or physical in any way, you will be given some medication. Of course, start your medications. Don't be in a haste to go and ask for CT scan unless until your doctor asks for it. Start your medication, your blood reports, and there will be a chart which your doctor must have given, or you can see at our page in Instagram at Derm Medical, where we have posted that chart. So there are those parameters: your oxygen level, your temperature, your pulse, and how much well you're doing it. Is there any symptoms? So there are few things which you have to see. So second point, oximeter, thermometer we have seen, and you have to show your this data with the doctor. So after you've been well equipped, your medication started, your blood reports given, you don't have any symptoms, major symptom, at least fill this chart twice in a day and share with the doctor. Third and foremost, the symptoms which you really have to look for, in which the reporting have to be done to your doctor SOS. Your oximeter shows your levels below 95 or 92 at rest. You don't have to sleep and just check it. You have to walk for 6 minutes, check on oximeter. That's a real report. While sleeping, the reports are not very correct baseline report. If you're developing slurring of speech, you're not able to walk. Third, if you feel extreme weakness, then you usually feel you have difficulty in breathing, you have a chest congestion, you feel like a pain here. Then bluish discoloration of your lip is another red line. And other things, take good amount of fluid, not only water, good amount of fluid, steam, gargling, sanitizer is important, double masking is very important. So even if you are well equipped at home with these things, one doesn't need a bad hospitalization. Your hospitalization has to be decided by your doctor. I hope you guys will be little bit benefited with this video, and just wishing you all a speedy recovery, and do not panic if your COVID test comes out to be positive. Thank you so much.